Yes guys, you join us in part 3 of our Alfa head gasket replacement. If you've not seen part 1 and 2 of taking it all apart and putting it all back together again, go ahead onto the channel and check those two out first. Today we're going to be rebuilding the carburettors that are over there on the table, replace some nice gaskets, clean them out, sonic clean and all that sort of stuff. Hopefully get it all back together this side, chuck all the carburettors back on and fire it up. So yeah, stick around, find out. So here we have our carburettors. They are Delauto 40 DHLAs and they are pretty manky. They were working, but the chap wants me to take them apart, clean them out, rebuild them. So let's crack on with that and see what we can find inside. So I took delivery of our new gasket set. That includes everything you need to do the job, and also a genuine new Lancia, Fiat, Alfa, whatever oil filter. There's the part number that you're going to need. So we're going to go ahead and give these a rinse off in the parts washer first, just to give the sonic cleaner a better chance of obviously cleaning everything out. Get rid of all the loose dirt and crap and all sorts of stuff. So we'll chuck that in the parts washer, give them a rinse off, get rid of the chunky bits, and then we'll start taking them apart. Give it a nice little douche of brake cleaner, nice little scrub it up dub, get all the chunky bits off. Looking a lot better already. We'll give them a good blow off with compressed air as well. Make sure it's all nice and clean before they go in. Beautiful, looking better already. So that's it, we're looking clean on our first little pass. And obviously I've done the other side as well, but I'm going to do these two separately. I'm going to do them one at a time. So yeah, let's crack on, take them apart, get them all cleaned up. Right, so you can see I've taken out all the jets and everything, accelerator jet pumps and diaphragms and everything like that. So I'm just going to go make sure that our sonic cleaner is up to temperature, and then we'll chuck it in, give it a nice clean. You join me in the back room. We've got our ultrasonic cleaner up to temperature. It's at 63 degrees, that'll be fine. Put some nice new fluid in, nice cleaning solution and stuff. So I think what I'm going to do is plop it in there. That one as well. And chuck in our carburetor. Now it is only a little one, so I'm going to swap it round halfway through. I'll turn this over and it can do both sides. So we'll set it to gas mark 5 for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and we'll press go. So in the meantime, while that's cooking, I'm just going to go through some of the new gaskets and everything. You get all the new O-rings, fibre washers for fuel lines, carb gaskets. These are the accelerator pump seals, as well as the diaphragms as well. New choke air inlet gaskets and the top gasket as well. And obviously the bottom ones that go onto the carburetor manifold. It does actually come with new needle valves as well, which is cool. And then the new little alley washers that go underneath that as well. So I'll go ahead and start replacing some of these small O-rings that go around needle jets and stuff like that, and we'll be good to go. We'll put it back together. Ding! And there we go. I've given them a nice little blowout. They're looking nice and clean and nice and shiny. I've replaced the O-rings and everything that needs replacing. I've got all the new gaskets ready to go back on, so I'll just build it up, and next thing you'll see is both carbs done together, because I'm not going to record the second one. And there we have it, folks. 2 freshly refreshed carburetors, Dell'Auto, made in Italy, DHLA 40s. Let's get them back on the car, and then we can see if this thing will fire up nicely. All right, folks, it's the moment of truth. Carbs are all back on, fuel lines are on, throttle cables on, electrics are all on, looking good. And here we are, the moment of truth. Let's fire it up. Well, that was anticlimax. Don't forget to put your battery terminal back on. Idiot. Right, take 2. Fuel. Let's try again. Hey! Nice. Now it's not warm, so it's probably going to cut out, but we're good. We're good to go. Let's do it. Okay, I've just sorted the choke, fired it up. You can see it smoking. Don't worry about that. It's all good. That's just the oil burning off the exhaust. Now fire it up and you can see how good it runs. What we're going to do now, we're just going to run it up to temperature, burn off all the oil and make sure we got no leaks. Right, that's carbs back on, and I'll run up to temperature as well, and I've retorqued the head to the hot setting. All that's left to do is put our airbox back on, air filter, and box all that stuff back up, bonnet back on, and we can take it for a test drive. And there we go, guys. Airbox is on, bonnet's back on. It's running sweet. I've just been out for a test drive. It's a good one, this. There's no more leaks, obviously, because that's what it was in for. So yeah, all good, good to go. So yeah, if you enjoyed the little mini series on the Alfa head gasket stuff, chuck us a subscribe, because there's plenty more cool stuff coming this year. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2, go and check them out as well. Big thanks to Classic Alfa for all the parts on this one. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.